Hello friends, welcome to another session on Java. In this section we will try to install Java and Eclipse in order to write Java programs. So we will first download Java Standard Edition from oracle.com. We will install Java and then we will set up some configuration on Windows in order to run Java programs in command prompt. Then we will download a tool called Eclipse, which is integrated development environment to write Java programs and run them, and we will write some sample programs and execute them. These are very simple tasks to do, but every Java developer must know in order to write Java programs. So go ahead and open a browser, open Google or some search engine, type Java SE download. So the first result, or one of the results, should be from oracle.com saying downloads. So click on that. So once you go to Oracle side, you will see Java SE downloads. Go ahead and click on download. Then you should see some option to download. Click on accept license agreement. Then depending on your operating system, you may select appropriate exe file, and it should start downloading the exe file. Okay, once the download is complete, open your downloads folder, then run the program as administrator. It should pop up a window. So click yes to any warning that you may get in order to run the program. Then click next. Make sure that where it is installing, so it should show program files, Java, JDK 1.7, update 2, depending on whatever version you are installing. So it will create appropriate folder. Click next. It should be done in a couple of seconds. Okay, once the installation is complete, it should show a window like this. Depending on your computer speed, it may take a while to install. So go ahead and click continue. Okay, now we are ready with Java installation. So let's make sure where it is installed. C, program files, Java, and you may not have these many folders because I play with Java often. I have so many versions, so it should show the folder like this. Go inside and go to bin folder and pick up this path. We are going to configure the path variable on Windows so that you can run the Java programs anywhere in your command prompt. So in your start menu, right click on computer or my computer, depending on your operating system. So click properties, go to advanced system settings. Remember, if it's XP, it may open up this properties directly. Then go to advanced tab, open environment variables, and go to the path variable, and we're going to append this Java path to the path variable like that. So put a semicolon and paste your the Java install directory. Remember, up to bin. Alright, say OK, then OK, another OK. You may close the window. Okay, we don't need to install fx, so we can say cancel. Okay, then now we are ready to write a program and execute in command prompt. So if you would like to register, go ahead and register on oracle.com site. It's optional, you don't have to. So let's write a program and run. Open Notepad or any other editor. I'm going to write a sample program. Don't worry about what I'm going to write here because we will learn about it in other Java tutorials. So I'm going to write a class called test, and I'm going to print some message on the screen. System.out.println. I'm going to say you are going to be Java Pro very soon. Okay, close that. Now save this program. So as test.java, remember to select all files, because otherwise Windows will put .txt at the end. So I'm going to save it. Okay, our program is ready. So we need to compile it and then run it. So in order to compile and run the program, open command prompt, type cmd at the run, enter. Now go to the directory where you saved the program. I saved it in my programs. So let's see, there is my program. Okay, so in order to compile the program, say Java C, stands for Java compile space, and give the program name test.java, enter. Oh well, see, I forgot to mention void. So save it, compile again. Okay, now it compiled successfully. Now time to execute the program. So if you see, it would have created a test.class file. So we're going to run that by saying Java test. Remember, no .class, no .java, enter. So it printed the message, you're going to be Java Pro very soon. Alright, so this is how we write program and compile it and run the programs at the command prompt. So next step is, let us download Eclipse and set it up. So open Google again, type Eclipse, download, and click on downloads. And there are different versions. Let's go ahead and download Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Depending on your operating system, you may click the appropriate version and then select the mirror. You can select the default mirror or any other mirror that is close to you. So once you click that, it's going to download the program. In order to save time, I downloaded it pre-hand. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my downloads folder, and there is my Eclipse. Go ahead and right click and extract. So once you extract, you will have a folder called Eclipse. You can cut it from here and keep it in your program files wherever you would like to, but you should see an exe file called eclipse.exe. Double click on that in order to start the Eclipse program. So Eclipse is, like I said, it is an integrated development environment where you can write your programs, you can compile them, run them very easily, and also it is a very friendly, developer friendly environment where you don't have to remember a lot of stuff. Like I forgot the void, so it will show you an error if you forgot something. So it's a very good environment to write the Java programs. So it will ask you for a workspace path. A workspace is nothing but a folder where you store programs. So go ahead and give some folder. Here I gave C code base sample. Say OK. It will load the workbench. So if you are working on a project, you may create a workspace in a particular folder, and if you move to another team and you want to keep those programs separate, you can give a different path when you start up the Eclipse. Anyway, so once you launch it for the first time, it will show you a welcome screen where you can see links to samples, tutorials, etc. Let's go to the workbench. Now let's create a sample project. We will understand more features about Eclipse in our later sessions. For now, let us create a new Java project. Say other, and here type Java project, select that and click next. Give some name to your project. We can call it my first Java project and click finish. There are so many other options you don't have to worry about. Click yes to change perspective if it asks you. Now when you open it, there's a folder called source folder. So that's where you're going to keep all your Java programs. That can be customized to call whatever you want to. For now, let's leave it like that. Let's create a sample Java program. Right click, new class. It should pop up a window like this. Give a name to your class. Let's say my first class. And let's give a package. Let's say com.javalab.sample. Okay, and we would like to have a main method in that, so let's click that and finish. See, it has automatically generated a class with the given package name, class name, and it has put the main method in there, and it has put some default comments. We can remove those, and let's write some sample printout. See, I have typed all this, but you know what? In IDEs like this, you don't have to type a lot. So if I type sys o and control space, it automatically autofills. So there are so many advantages like this in the editor, which we will explore later. For now, let's try to print a message. Okay, save the program. Once you save the program, you go to run menu, run as Java application. There you go. So the result will be displayed in a window called console. Here is the message. It's as simple as that. So in this section, we understood how to install Java, how to run a sample program from command prompt, how to install Eclipse, how to create a sample program, run a sample program. I hope you understood and enjoyed this session. Remember, I appreciate your feedback. We will see you in the future sessions. Wish you all the best. Thank you.